Hello everyone. Well, today I have a master lock, and this was sent to me by Chris Ahrens, lock picking Heaven's Gate. Now he has a channel, but he hasn't been active in it lately, so he decided he sent out a big box of locks to me, and this was one of them in there, and there was I know over 100 locks. Anyways, it's a 5-pinner, and here's the bidding on the key. And this is number 81. That's a nice lock. It's like brand new. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing open on camera. And actually, I'm not doing top of the key, well, I'm going to use bottom. So I already don't know what I'm doing. Trying to figure out what to use. It's half the battle sometimes. It can take a while. Okay, let's see. One is springy. Felt a little click off of 2. No, that might have just been off the wording. I don't know. I have picked this lock. Well, this would make a good one for stock lock Sunday or something. Or just a video to put in there somewhere. I'm gonna reset this. Pull this tension wrench out just a little. See if that's going to help any. Okay. Got a little something out of 3, I think. Yeah, 1 and 2 are springy. And if I can get under 3. Can't seem to get under those pins for some reason. Had to let up on the tension wrench a little bit to get in there, but I could have dropped number 3 that I set. Okay, look there out of 4. Alright. Well, this is a sneaky little lock to pick. It's really not that easy. Everybody makes fun of master, but some are not created equal. And that was a lot of fun to pick. I don't know if Chris watches my channel or not, but I think he might tune in once in a while. But anyways, I want to thank him for sending me this lock. And I thank everybody for tuning in and supporting my channel. Come back and see me soon. Bye-bye.